Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a seated cat-cow stretch, placing your hands to your thighs. With an inhale, lift through your heart, and on your exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Adding a knee lift, alternate between lifting right and left, moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Adding a twist, inhale at center, exhale, gently twist as you bring opposite elbow to knee. Inhale, center, lengthening your spine. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, keeping your spine long, moving through your own range of motion, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, quadriceps, and obliques. Pausing at center, adding a side bend variation. Maintain your hands behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Inhale to upright and repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, re-lengthen, and with each exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, keeping your elbows wide, broadening across your chest, gently flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Slowly release and return to center. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through your feet. Adding a side stretch, begin to gently reach across your body, flowing from right to left, keeping your legs strong and active and the weight even in your hips, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.